You are watching Planet Bollywood at 9 and here are the top trending stories. Looks like the Bachchans are all set to create a storm on a streaming platform with Big B's film Jhund and Abhishek's film Ludo in discussion for a direct online release. With theatres indefinitely closed, many producers are discussing a possible online release of their films. If rumours are to be believed, we may see an all-Bachchan movie premiere very soon. Karan Johar and Zoya Akhtar are curating a 2-hour-long online program to raise funds and pay tribute to those battling the pandemic by risking their own lives. The program will feature dance and music performances by top Bollywood celebrities, motivational speeches, stand-up comic acts, and even sports stars like Virat Kohli and Sachin Tendulkar. Mohit Suri, whose last release Malang became a surprise hit, has revealed that his next film, a sequel to the successful Ek Villain, has now been renamed to Do Villain. The film starring Disha Patni, Aditya Roy Kapoor, John Abraham and Tara Sutaria will feature both Aditya and John in negative roles and hence the change in the title to Do Villain. Anil Kapoor has built an incredible physique for his age, making use of the time in lockdown, is being trolled by his daughter Rhea Kapoor. Rhea shared a meme of Anil's post-workout picture and said that her father may be 25 by the time the lockdown ends. Priyanka Chopra is spending her time in lockdown learning the piano from her husband Nick Jonas and also learning hip-hop from an online class because she misses dancing. The power couple is currently in LA and has been spending time working with various international agencies to raise funds to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. Masakali 2.0 was panned and criticized by listeners and the original composers. But the singer of the new remix track, Sachet Tandon, has reacted to criticism by saying that the intention was not to distort the original track, and as a singer, he tried his best to do justice to the original song. Katrina Kaif is in lockdown with her sister Isabella, and the star has shared another video of her trying her hands at cooking in the kitchen. Katrina, who has been active on social media during the lockdown, seems to be enjoying doing her household chores like washing dishes, cooking and cleaning the house, which is completely unlike her glam avatar on screen. On Wednesday, several of Irfan Khan's friends and colleagues braved the lockdown in Mumbai to attend his last rites. A statement from the family after the last rites took place read, Irfan was buried at the Versova Kabristan in Mumbai at 3 p.m. this afternoon, soon after the news of his passing away was announced. In presence were his family, close relatives and friends. The makers of Suryavanshi are willing to wait for 4 to 6 months rather than releasing it on a digital platform. There was also talks that Akshay Kumar's Lakshmi Bomb might release on the OTT platform in June. However, fans of Akshay Kumar want a theatrical release for the film. Earlier, filmmaker Kabir Khan also declined the offer of releasing 83 on a digital platform despite getting a whopping amount, as he feels that 83 has been envisioned and made to be experienced on the big screen. Anup Jalota has expressed a desire that his life story should be made into a biopic. The singer has shared that he would like Ranbir Kapoor to play his role after the actor impressed him with his performance in Sanju. Kareena Kapoor Khan and Neena Gupta are his choices to play his first and third wives respectively. To know all the details and stay updated, watch Planet Bollywood at 9 p.m. tonight.